welcome to my channel. It's me, Precious Stevens, founder of the Posh Academy, and today we're going to actually do an unboxing of one of our newest products. Stay tuned. If you liked the video that you just saw, guess what? You can click either one of these videos below to get even more tips, tricks, and resources, right? But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell so you can get the notifications so you know every Tuesday and Thursday when I upload a new video. Stay tuned, be blessed, and again, share this video.